Time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we are going to begin with Philip Insminger celebrating birthday number 3 in Moran, Kansas. Happy birthday.
All right, Pike Storm celebrating birthday number 6 this year in Jasper, Missouri.
And Harper Custer celebrating birthday number 8 in Miami. It says happy birthday from Mom and Dad, Jaden, Maddox, Nana, and Pow Pow, and all of the family.
All right, Kyler Beard celebrating birthday number 15 this year in Columbus.
And we've got Nathan West celebrating birthday number 17 in Webb City. Very happy birthday to you, Nathan.
All right. Evany Gerstufen is celebrating birthday number 18 this year in Pittsburgh. Graduates from Pittsburgh High School this month. Congratulations.
And Ashton Hensley celebrating birthday number 19 in Pittsburgh. Ashton is the young lady on the left. Happy birthday.
All right, and Mom and Dad wish you their love to Kevin Harvey, who's now 36 years old. Happy birthday, Kevin.
And Chrissy Boone celebrating number 44 in Joplin with happy birthday wishes coming from April and Mama Boone.
Alvin Edwards celebrating in Girard. Happy birthday, Alvin.
And Bob Price over in Columbus celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Bob.
All right. Joyce Holman in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
And we've got Jack and Judy Freeman celebrating their 31st wedding anniversary in Pittsburgh. A very happy anniversary to the Freemans.
Right. Randy and Jan Lockey are celebrating their 45th anniversary in Erie, Kansas. Happy 45th from your kids. We love you.
And last but not least, we've got Noah Nelson celebrating a birthday over in Columbus as well. Happy birthday to you, Noah. And of course, we love celebrating birthdays and anniversaries with all of you. Tanya, what do they need to do to celebrate with us?
All they have to do is send us an email. Send it to birthdays, don't forget the S on that, at KYMNewsNow.com. Be sure to include a picture, the name of the birthday recipient, and all of their information like their hometown and age.
And of course, don't forget, while you're on our website, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the Birthday Club today.